Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Wi-Fi full setting on Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to use Wi-Fi setting on your device, so how to use, how to connect Wi-Fi network, how to share Wi-Fi network, how to disconnect. In this video friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. And first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Wi-Fi setting. So my Wi-Fi setting is off, so by first we will on Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting, I refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After friends, your Wi-Fi network will available guys, nearby Wi-Fi network will show here. And once you want to add any network, then you can add network, enter password, and you can connect from here. So friends, I have already this Wi-Fi network, so I will connect with this 5G network. And guys, I will enter password. Friends, you can check password from here and right side click here. Friends, after 3 and 4 seconds guys, Wi-Fi will connect on your Oppo phone device, and friends you can use this Wi-Fi network guys. Example guys, I will on YouTube. So friends, I don't have mobile data, so friends I can connect Wi-Fi network. After connect Wi-Fi network, friends I can use YouTube app, Instagram, WhatsApp app guys, Snapchat app, Facebook friends I can use it. So like that friends, we can connect Wi-Fi network guys and we can use it. Friends, again click on Wi-Fi setting. Friends, right side this icon, friends click here. Friends, you want to share this Wi-Fi network, friends you can share from here. Friends, you want to remove this network, friends you can remove. After remove guys, you cannot do this network. Friends, you want to use guys, again guys you will have to enter password, then guys, you can connect this Wi-Fi network. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting, we can set up a Wi-Fi on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.